What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find all clothing shops location in NBA 2K26. So finding any clothing shop is really easy. First of all, open the map to see the exact location of that clothing store. So let's say I wanna see all of the clothing stores. So for that we can press RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation, press it 4 times and then you will be able to see all of the stores which are currently available in the city. So we have this Adidas store, then we have Coach, Converse, Jordan, Legend Sports, Limited Edition, NBA 2K League, NBA Store, New Balance, New Era, Nike, Puma, State Farm, Swags. So these are the stores which are available. So let's say I wanna go to the Adidas store, then I can just take my cursor here, then press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to set a waypoint. Now we can go back from our map and you can see a blue dot has been added next to the Adidas store. We can just go to that blue dot and we'll be able to access the store. Now let's take another example. So I want to go to New Balance store. Then for that I need to again open my map and from here I need to find the store. So this is New Balance. I need to press Y or triangle to set a waypoint and then you can see a waypoint has been added next to the New Balance store. I can just reach to that point and then I'll be able to access that store. So this is the process to know all of the stores location in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.